For over 50 years, Malco Products has been inventing better ways for the building contractor and specialty trade pro to work. We have now applied that expertise to simplifying chain link and vinyl fence installation. A manual feed hog ring pliers, Malco model HRP1, is compatible with both 5/8 inch and 3/4 inch hog rings. A stop guide ensures a proper hold on the ring as a strip of hog rings is pressed against the guide and the plier's jaws cleanly peel off a ring that is then ready to install. The opening of the Malco 3/4 inch ring can accommodate a combination of 9-gauge chain link fencing and 9-gauge tension wire. The 14-gauge thick ring has a gripping range from 1/4 inch to 5/16 inch diameters. Malco's model HRP2 pliers is dedicated for 3/4 inch hog rings and features a 50-ring capacity magazine. The automatic feed makes a sometimes tedious and strenuous task a lot faster and easier. A model HRP4 pliers also features a 50-ring capacity magazine and is used to install Malco 1 3/16 inch hog rings. These larger rings have a maximum gripping capacity of 3/8 inch and can accommodate a combination of 9-gauge chain link fence wire and 7-gauge tension wire. All Malco one-hand operation hog ring pliers feature spring-actuated, easy-to-grasp handle openings with non-slip rubber inserts to ensure maximum efficiency and ease of operation. Malco's ultimate commercial-grade hog ring pliers model HRP5 installs both 9-gauge aluminum rings and heavy zinc-plated 9-gauge steel rings to address the most stringent regulatory codes. These big 1 7/16 inch Malco hog rings provide an extra secure connection for 7-gauge tension wire to 9-gauge chain link fencing. Just one 500 pack of these rings secures 1,000 feet of wire spaced at 2-foot intervals. A unique overlap clinch with a 7/16 inch gripping capacity is twice as strong as the closest alternative in the marketplace. The handy folding magazine holds 25 rings. Exclusive collated steel rings or aluminum rings can be loaded into the symmetrical magazine in either direction. The hog rings are automatically plunger fed. There is no need to manually rotate the magazine. The tool's clinching mechanism brings each ring forward of the magazine for unobstructed access around fence and tension wires. And the long-handled tool operation provides plenty of leverage and easy reach anywhere on the fence. Malco commercial-grade hog ring pliers are designed for great on-the-job service season after season. And Malco 9-gauge aluminum and steel hog rings are designed to stay on the job. And here's a handy accessory for light commercial or residential chain link installations. For easy one-person installation, Malco tensioning claws hold fencing in position while securing a chain link section to posts. For all types of installations, these claws are also handy for toting full coils of chain link fencing. Simplify vinyl fence installation with Malco nibblers and notchers. Vinyl fence post nibblers from Malco remove a 1/4 inch 6mm slug from a fence post slot to angle rails as necessary. A wedge-shaped width adjustment prevents walking and maintains the straightness of the slot. A rack and pinion handle drive and steep cutting angle result in a clean cut every time. Separate tools are available for 1.5 inch 38mm post slots and 2 inch 51mm slots. Rails can be uniformly angled to follow the contour of the terrain. Malco's vinyl fence notchers make high-profile raised tabs in the end sections of rails and pickets to create a durable lock that prevents pull-out. Use the 1/2 inch 13mm wide model VFN1 notcher for pickets and smaller rails. Install a notched picket through the top rail and into the bottom rail where it will be permanently locked into place. The larger 3/4 inch, 19 millimeter wide model BFN2 notcher is used for larger fence rails. It is sometimes preferable to punch over a factory tab with a higher profile Malco notcher to create a more permanent, wind-resistant lock. Malco picket and rail notchers feature exclusive red line handles by Malco for maximum leverage and optimal fit and feel for the way you need to work. For vinyl fence repair or rework, the economical and work-saving rail removal tool is a reliable, safe, and easy way to remove notched rails from vinyl post and rail fences. Thin stainless steel blades with angled tips are easily inserted between the notched rail sides and the post to provide glides for extracting the rail without damage to post or rail. A safety lanyard anchors the tool to prevent injury or loss of the tool as the rail is removed. Malco, better ideas for the real world and real labor-saving opportunities for fencing pros. Look for the Malco display wherever quality tools are sold.